Hi, I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents, and do I have a treat for you? 224 Denham Street in the Range. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom cottage is a must-see. Having been respectfully restored, this property features a brand new bathroom and kitchen, exudes character, and has a convenient location close to the Rocky Grammar School and the base hospital. With its rear lane access and double bay shed, this property delivers more than one would expect. If this well-located, charming cottage appeals to you, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts, for more information.